You are a student. You have a phone. And somewhere, right now, another student, just like you, is earning money from that exact same phone. The only difference between you and them is one thing. They know these 5 methods. You are about to. Welcome to Invisible Rich, where broke students become silent earners. No fluff, no fake screenshots, no courses to buy. Just 5 real methods, starting right after. Method 1, freelancing. Someone somewhere needs a task done. Writing, editing, translating, researching, designing, and they will pay a complete stranger on the internet to do it. That stranger can be you. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Create a free profile. Offer one simple service you can already do. Even basic English writing counts. Your first client will not care about your degree. They care about the result. 1 gig, 1 delivery, 1 review, and suddenly you have a profile that earns while you study. Method 2, selling Canva templates. Open Canva for free. Design a resume template, an Instagram post pack, a business presentation, or a weekly planner. Upload it on Gumroad or Etsy. Set a price, share the link once. Now, every time someone buys that template, you earn again and again from the same file you made once sitting in your hostel room. This is not active income. This is a digital product that sells itself while you attend lectures. 1 good template, uploaded today, can still be earning you money 6 months from now. Method 3, affiliate marketing via social media. You do not need a product. You do not need a website. You do not need followers in the thousands. Sign up free on Amazon Associates, Meesho, or ShareASale. Get your unique link for any product. Post about it honestly on Instagram, WhatsApp status, or YouTube Shorts. Someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission automatically. No selling, no convincing, no investment. Just a link doing the work for you in the background every single day. Okay, real quick. You are halfway through 5 methods that could genuinely change your financial situation as a student for free. The least you can do is hit subscribe. It is 1 tap. It is free, and it tells the algorithm this video is worth showing to another broke student who needs it. Done? Good. Back to the methods. Method 4, YouTube script writing. Thousands of faceless YouTube channel owners post videos every week, but most of them cannot write. They need someone to research a topic and turn it into a clear, engaging script. That someone can be you. Go to Fiverr and search YouTube scriptwriter. Create a gig offering scripts for any niche: finance, motivation, facts, or student content. Charge between 500 to 2,000 rupees per script as a beginner. Deliver well, and clients come back every single week. No camera, no editing, no recording. Just writing, which you already do for assignments anyway. Except this time, someone pays you for it. Method 5, selling writing services. Blogs need articles. Businesses need email newsletters. Brands need product descriptions. Instagram pages need captions, and almost none of them have time to write it themselves. You do not need to be a professional writer. You need to be clear, consistent, and willing to deliver on time. Create a simple portfolio, even 3 sample pieces written by you on any topic. Share it on LinkedIn, Instagram, or directly message small business pages in your city. 1 writing client paying 3,000 rupees per month means your phone bill, your data plan, and your canteen budget covered completely every month. 5 methods with 0 investment, 0 special talent required. Pick one right now. Not tomorrow, not after exams. Right now, open one app and take the first step. Because the student who starts today will always be ahead of the student who waits for the perfect moment. Share this video with 1 friend who needs to hear this. It might be the most useful thing you send them this year. Stay invisible, stay rich.